We are fashionistas, but also eco-friendly fashionistas.
Period.
We are on episode 5. Can you believe it? Number 5. And we've yet to touch on the effects of the human body. We are a species just like every other living organism. And even though we are the most dominant species, that doesn't mean that we are immune to the effects of greenhouse gases. Search what causes pollution? Where does pollution even come from? And pollution comes from a wide variety of things, from factories to office buildings, homes, and power generated stations that burn fossil fuel, which causes air pollution. This air pollution destroys plants and also damages buildings. What are the top uses of fossil fuel?
Almost 60% of crude oil goes into manufacturing different products. Everyone knows Vaseline. Yeah, you're rubbing crude oil on your skin and lips too. Paraffin wax is obtained from dewaxing petroleum. Paraffin wax is used in the manufacturing of candles, wax papers, shoe polish, cosmetics, and grease.
Detergents are used constantly. Like I said previously, I have some friends that wash their clothes 3 to 4 times a week.
Nail polish is made from toluene, a petrochemical pigment. Perfumes are made from organic plants or animal oils, but have to be dissolved in a solvent. Toothpaste has several derivatives of petroleum.
Girl, that list was exhausting. I mean, from head to toe, we are using products that have ingredients that have fossil fuels and also greenhouse gas emissions. I mean, it's kind of inevitable that we're not consuming those type of things, especially if we're rubbing it on our face and we're using it in our hair and we're brushing our teeth with it. I don't know, I'm speechless. It has affected all of us in some type of way. I mean, and I think it's really important to think about the correlation that has to do with that and how, these products are not affecting us tremendously in the long run.
What are the top 10 cancers in America?
Now, this is a display of the probability of developing cancer in America. And the latest data is between 2015 and 2017. So the number 1 cancer in America is breast cancer, which...
according to the Harvard School of Engineering, there was an estimate of 8 million people that died in 2015 based on the excess exposure of fossil fuels and greenhouse gas emissions.
In 2015, $183 billion were spent on medical expenses. And by 2030, it's projected to increase to $246 billion. And that's really where conscious consumerism comes in. Where we see opportunities to speak up, let's speak up. Where we see opportunities to shop differently, let's shop differently. I mean, the point blank period is we're living in the wild, wild west. We are responsible for ourselves. We have to dictate what these companies are going to make, right? So think about how we're using our dollar. Every dollar is a vote.
Thank you so much for